Hey guys, today we will talk about this sequence, which doesn't look like either arithmetic or geometric sequence we are all familiar with. So let's change it a little bit. Starting with that recursive formula, we can divide both sides by 3 to the power of n. Rearrange these terms from n to 2. Add both sides, taking the consolations into account. Replace a sub 1 with its value 4. Which is equal to 1 plus a third. Rearrange it. Use sum of arithmetic sequence formula and sum of geometric sequence formula. Multiply both sides by 3 to the power of n. And replace n with 4 to get our result. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Feel free to leave any comments or questions. I'll see you in the next video.